Everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can check your buying or selling history on Binance app. If you have buy some coins or if you have sell some coins and now you want to check whether on which price you buy or sell that coins in your past, you can check your history. For that, just open your Binance app on your mobile phone. Now here at the bottom you can see there are different options. Click on this trade option. Now when you click on this trade option, here you can see at the right side there is an icon. You can check by arrow sign. Click on this icon. Now when you click on that icon, here you can see at the top there are three options: open orders, order history and trade history. Click on order history and now here you can see your order history. The coin that you have sell, you can see the market slash sell, and the coin that you have buy, here you can see market slash buy. So this is the way how you can check your order history whether it's buying or selling on Binance app.